Hello viewers, this is Aravindar. Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see, has CCTV been installed in railway stations? Kerala High Court asked Centre Railways to explain measures to ensure safety of women passengers. For more information, we shall move to inside the video. I kindly request to all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. The court noted that there is common law duty on railway authorities to take reasonable care of passengers and directed them to file affidavits detailing the measures they have taken to ensure the same. The Kerala High Court has sought responses from the central government, Indian Railways and the Southern Railway authorities regarding the measures implemented by them to ensure compliance with the railway safety guidelines previously issued by the court, especially in matters of concerning safety of female passengers. A division bench of Justice Anil K. Narendran and Ziyad Rahman AA asked whether proposed measures like installation of video surveillance in 28 railway stations identified in Kerala for the same have been carried out. The respondents shall state as to whether the arrangements noted in the judgment of the division bench in Rajani K.N. versus Ministry of Railways and connected cases are being adhered to, and also the proposed measures like installation of video surveillance systems under Nirbhaya Scheme in 28 identified railway stations in state of Kerala have already been implemented. The court ordered in a Suo Motu case initiated by the court earlier this year. In April of this year, single judge Justice Bichu Kurian Thomas had expressed concerns regarding the safety of railway passengers after taking note of a news report which is said that a 31-year-old female railway passenger in Ernakulam had jumped off a moving train after she was attacked. She had sustained head injuries. Thereafter, Chief Justice S. Manikumar issued an order to initiate the present Suo Motu case. The division bench in its order of June 11, 2021 referred to the Railway Act 1989 which contains various provisions to secure the safety of passengers including female passengers sections 57, 58, 59 and to ensure payment of compensation for loss due to any untoward incident section 123, 24, 24A. The court specially referred to the measures that the railway administration had stated to have implemented in Rajani K.N. to ensure safety and security of passengers in trains and railway premises. These measures included, inter alia, the deployment of RPF staff, GPR during night hours in ladies' coaches and railway stations, video coverage of general coaches, installation of CCTVs at important stations, junctions, and also proposed a video surveillance system under Nirbhaya Scheme in 28 identified railway stations in state of Kerala. The division bench had in 2016 disposed of the petition and connected matters regarding satisfaction with these measures which were stated to have already been adopted and implemented by the railway administration and directed that it should be adhered to for all time to come. During the course of the hearing, Justice Narendran made particular references to the legal maxim of Salus Populi Supreme Lex, which means welfare of the people is the highest law. He also observed that authorities have an obligation to ensure the right to life and personal liberty as under Article 21. The bench remarked that the root cause of untoward incidents in trains seemed to be failure on the part of railway authorities to effectively implement measures for the protection of passengers. They referred to the horrifying circumstances of Soumya case in 2011 when a man raped and murdered a young woman while she was traveling in a train in Kerala. The court suggested the installation of CCTV cameras in every compartment and panic buttons to alert railway staff of any incidents require immediate attention. The court appointed Advocate Arul as amicus curiae to assist this court in the matter. The case will be heard next July 13th, 2021, before which the respondents have to file their affidavits. Hello viewers, from this video you learned has CCTV been installed in railway stations? Kerala High Court asks Center Railways to explain measures to ensure safety of women passengers. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. And also I kindly request you to subscribe this Aravindar Annai Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video. Once again thank you very much.